Products and processes sensitive to microcontamination demand the complete absence of particulates, of viable organisms and chemicals, most of which are invisible to the human eye. Critically, during the cleaning process, these contaminants, which we can't see, must be removed using materials that should not themselves create contamination. And that is the real problem, because many materials essential to cleaning cleanrooms, despite this limitation, vacuums are essential and are specified universally for the first stage in the gross cleaning process. Cleanroom vacuums are available in several forms, from integral, centrally controlled systems, with outlets as used in the majority of cleanrooms. The cleanroom vacuum must have an integral HEPA filter fitted to the exhaust to contain the particles inherent to its operation. Brushes should not be used. It should also be designed for the obvious reason that even with gentle use, they collect particles and flick matter into the atmosphere. If they are needed for specific applications, their handles should be made of wipers have two basic functions: for cleaning or to pick up spilled liquids. Their other uses include drying wet glassware and other equipment, as mats to keep components clean, or to cushion. Wipers available can be confusing, so selection for the required characteristics is essential, starting with the universal need for them to be as free of particulates as possible. They should demonstrate abrasion resistance so that they will not break up and create particulates during use. They must wipe effectively, have good absorptive capacity, and at an adequate rate. Type of felt material. When we talk of absorbency, we describe the physical ability of fibers to soak up moisture within their mass, as opposed to adsorbency, which allows a fabric to pick up moisture due to the capillary action of the fabric. In ultra-clean semiconductor manufacturing or similar, then a sealed-edge polyester wiper is the likely choice, because it has the lowest. In the first instance, it must break the forces which bind particles to surfaces. Then it must attack the specific soiling to be treated, dissolve it, and hold it in suspension for removal by the mechanical action of a wiper. The cleaning agent is to remove contamination, which consists of limescale or sodium-based matter. Then a low pH acid solution is required. On the other hand, if the contamination is grease or oil-based, then an alkaline solution at the other high end of the pH scale is needed. To be caused by the continued use of disinfectants at too low a concentration, or being under stress conditions, such as using hard water, or where the surfaces to be treated have not been adequately cleaned, and residues reduce the disinfectant's effectiveness. Some CGMP guides recommend that disinfectants should fungi and virus, but not spores. Drawbacks are flammability and the need to protect against inhalation, apart from which they prevent cleaning and can be applied to surfaces used for food preparation. Quats are not active at low temperatures and can be affected by hard water and physical soiling. Because they're electrically charged, they can attach or adsorb to some surfaces.